Remember when the dirt turtle was just a rusty pile of John Deere parts? We spent hours engineering this thing, but we made one critical error. We forgot to build a bathroom. And to be honest, I'm getting too old to dig holes. So before we take this thing back out into the wild for our next adventure, Joolca's helping us fix that problem. They claim this is an entire ensuite bathroom, including a shower, hot tap, and toilet, and it can be packed up and fit inside of our mini camper. Let's see if that's actually true.
Well, that is super easy. Now, I will say, if that was staked down, it would have been a little easier because it wouldn't be trying to move around on our concrete floor. That has nothing to do with them. That has to do with me not staking it down. Pretty much just stands up. So, you know, you've got a couple of push pin here that'll drop this back down, and then you just fold those arms in and everything collapses onto itself. There's a window through here. We've got shower vent, you know, for steam or whatever to come out at the top, or heat or whatever. And then the floor is, it's got these mesh sides on it. So if you're showering in here, this is like tarp material. And if you're showering in here, the water can drain out. Okay, so we've opened up the pass-through into the other side here, and you can see there is a clip up top here, and that's for hanging your shower head. So this side is the shower side, and then this side over here would be your toilet side. All right, a little bit of a close-up view. We've got our main lid. Opens up into the toilet section, which has the liquid side and the solid side. This also has its own lid. Now we can close this up. I want to give you a little idea of this front. It's a little gauge here that shows you how full the tank is, which is cool. We want to access everything. You just pull up on this little blue lever here. And as I said, you've got a spray bottle inside. You've got your unclogger stick. Anyway, you've got your waste tank, which you can just pick up out of there like this. And then that's your drain hose when you need to empty it. This is for your chemical cassette over on this side, and it's got instructions on how to do all of that. And then this front tank here is for your liquids. So you've got your liquid tank up front. So if you just need to empty one, you can just pop one out. If you need to take out both, you can take out both. And then this is a lid that can, it's just sitting there, and you can put this on here when you're transporting. So overall, the quality and the construction look great. It's just big enough that it's going to be comfortable and not so big that, you know, it's hard to carry around. It's actually pretty lightweight. I would say it weighs, I don't know, 12, 15 pounds maybe. Came with a good set of instructions, and it came with a 2-year warranty. So that's kind of cool. We've also got kind of a funny newspaper article that came with it. So you got something to read while you're checking out the Gotta Go. One of the other nice things about this toilet is it's pretty small, so we can just pick it up, we can set it inside of the camper when we're traveling to our site, and then when we, you know, need to use it, we can pull it out and put it in that ensuite. But also, if we absolutely wanted to, we could set this back in that corner and we could use it right here in the camper. Up next is the Hottap outing kit, which is that portable shower setup that we were talking about. All right, so straight off the bat, I'm impressed. The quality of this seems really, really good. This looks heavy, but it actually doesn't weigh that much. It does have stands, so you can put it on these stands, or it's got this bar here where you can hang it, which would also be nice. So depending on your use, if you want to put that on the ground, or, you know, however you want to use it, you can do that. We've got in the package, we've got the LP, this is the gas line hookup, and a set of batteries. They go in that run this setup. And then we've got a shower head. We've got our user guide. This is like a sediment filter. This is for hanging your shower head. This is your on and off. So this is essentially how you turn your shower on and off. It's just a switch that allows water to go through. A 12-volt pump. So this pump is what gets your water from your water source in. This is the cable that plugs into that pump. And then we've got our hot and cold lines individually here. And so that's everything that this kit takes to give you a hot shower. Or I've noticed in this manual, after just browsing through it real quick, that they also have a setup for a sink and a couple of other things that you can get from their website. And all the instructions are like, they're probably the best instructions I've ever seen. You know, if you're not used to working with this kind of stuff, you've got a great instruction manual that can kind of help you along. But this setup, I mean, the quality of it looks absolutely great. So once again, I know I've said it a few times, I'm excited to try this out. Not only because it'll be nice to have a shower, especially when we're back cutting lumber and stuff, and you know, this camper is being used as our place to stay. Nothing worse than going to bed really, really dirty. So it'll be great to have a nice hot shower. Well, I just packed up the Ensuite double tent from Joolca, and it took, I'm not exaggerating, maybe 60 seconds to fold the whole thing up and put into the bag. Which is probably the easiest tent I've ever put away. And the nice thing is too, fits perfectly on the front of the dirt turtle, so that's going to travel nicely right there. Like I said, I'm going to put this away, and then we're just going to keep the Gotta Go portable toilet. We're just going to keep it inside until we're ready to use it, and then we can pop it out and put it inside of our tent. We're going to pack everything up and get it ready for our upcoming trip, where we're actually going to use everything, and I'll show you it all in action. If you need a camping solution for a toilet or shower, I definitely recommend going to their website and checking it out. I'll put a link down below.